Good morning everyone, I am Mr. Ish. Thank you for joining me for this video. Comprehensive problem here, a chemistry concept here. We have in this question 13 grams of metal, which is zinc. 13 grams of zinc reacts with 500 milliliters of HCl, hydrochloric acid, which is 0.9 molar. Determine the volume of hydrogen gas generated under STP, standard temperature and pressure. 13 grams of zinc, 500 ml of 0.9 molar HCl, hydrochloric acid, and our task is to determine the volume of H2. A very well-known fact is this: metals react with acids and you'll always generate some sort of a salt and gas. Here we have a metal, here we have an acid. What exactly is our reaction? You'll have zinc plus HCl to form zinc chloride, ZnCl2 plus H2 gas. You have to balance this. Everything is balanced except for this right here. Now it's balanced. We have to determine the volume of this. What is the one task here we have to do? We are looking here at something called the molarity, capital M. Molarity is always equal to your moles over your volume. Molarity has a unit, capital M. Volume here has a unit in liters. We have in milliliters, we have to convert that. You have two reactants, zinc and hydrochloric acid. Both of these are reacting and you have to determine this. Therefore, you're thinking about which one of these is your limiting reagent, and we have to determine that. Zinc, 13 grams. Mass divided by molecular weight is your moles, number of moles. Whichever one has a smaller number of moles is your limiting reagent. 65.4. For HCl, we have 500 ml of 0.9 molar. Moles is equal to molarity times volume. Moles HCl is equal to molarity, which is 0.9 times your volume, 0.5. 0.5 liters or 500 ml. Same. Now do the computation. 13 divided by 65.4. For zinc, I'm getting 0.1988 moles zinc. For this, 0.9 times 0.5, I'm getting 0.45 moles of HCl. Which one is a smaller item? It's this. We've established that this right here is our limiting reagent. We've also established the molarity is equal to moles over volume. We utilize that for this part right here. But since this zinc is our limiting reagent, we have to utilize that for our calculation. 0.1988 moles of zinc. And see how everything will come out here into a single equation. Times. Each zinc is associated with 1 mole of hydrogen. 1 zinc, 1 hydrogen. In terms of the coefficients, 1 mole H2 per 1 mole zinc. And now think back to that very important fact that under standard temperature and pressure, volume and ideal gas in terms of its volume is 22.4 liters hydrogen over 1 mole hydrogen. Now look, mole zinc, mole hydrogen, mole hydrogen. The only thing which remains here is now a unit here in terms of liters of hydrogen, the volume, and that'll give you exactly what you need. Just multiply this with 22.4. 0.1988 times 22.4, you get here 4.45 liters, and that will be our answer. 4.45 liters of hydrogen gas are generated from this reaction. Remember, metal plus acid gives you salt and gas. Here's your metal, here's your acid, here's your salt, here's your gas. We were interested in the volume of this and we have it. But you have to remember this particular factor here, 22.4 liters of any gas, which is an ideal gas, will be the space occupied by 1 mole of that gas, and also molarity or concentration is moles over volume. Everything here stemming from your limiting reagent. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.